Myanmar's major cities, including Mandalay and Yangon, people fled their homes and buildings as the tremors rattled the street. In Mandalay, videos circulating online showed collapsed structures, shattered glass, and streets littered with debris. Residents reported strong and prolonged shaking, with some buildings developing visible cracks and power lines swaying dangerously. Some of Myanmar's historic Buddhist temples and pagodas, particularly in the Bagan region, suffered significant damage, with several ancient structures collapsing.